Kenyan women lag behind their male counterparts in terms of mobile adoption, an indication that opportunities for mobile connectivity remains biased between the genders. According to a report by Global Telecommunication Association Group, Kenyan women are slightly falling behind the country's fast-growing mobile technology ecosystem. The report indicates that Kenya has a unique subscriber penetration and a relatively small gender gap in mobile ownership of 7%, with a gender gap much higher among poorer households at 16%. The GSMA, however, states that Kenya's gender gap is relatively small compared to other countries surveyed in the index. The gap has been attributed to a combination of factors, including lower financial independence and education levels, which can inhibit women's access and usage of mobile phones, particularly at more sophisticated levels of usage. Let's hope we can turn this around in the coming days, months, probably years.